Pets acting weird. Hello everyone, you know that on these dates, October and November, my puppies and kittens start to act strange. How do they take care of the house and my wife in particular? We had to leave CDMX due to gentrification and now we live in Hidalgo. It is not rural but it is partly a farming area. I mention this because in the same way you hear stories of witches, nawals and other Mesoamerican creatures, Tlahuelpuchis for example, there are times when you hear them noises in the streets or sounds on the roof. It is not residual heat, it does not creak, it is footsteps or knocks. It is not fauna like cacomedals either since it sounds like very heavy animals or people as such. Sometimes they knock on the inside doors, those of the house as such. We have a patio, or the windows. My wife says they are energies and animals feel them. Have you experienced something similar with your pets?